List 10, the more the merrier. This is your multi-poly video. So this is a chart that reviews your roots for this list. Multi and poly are both Greek roots that mean many. Your words for this list are multiply, multidisciplinary, multiple, multimedia, multitude, multiplication, multifold, polygon, polymer, polygraph, and polytheistic. So your first word is multiply, and this means to increase greatly in number or amount, to cause to become much more numerous. So in math, you are learning how to multiply, to make numbers become much more numerous. So on your homework, I want you to multiply two numbers and give me the answer. Your next word is multiple, and this means consisting of, including, or involving more than one. So in the picture, there are multiple phones. There are more than one phone. Multimedia means using or involving several forms of communication or expression. So on a laptop, you may be listening to music, which would be communication. You might be watching a video, which would have visual and audio communications. So we would consider those multimedia devices that you can use several forms of communication or expression. So you are not allowed to use laptop or computer, but give me an example on your homework. Give me an example of a multimedia device. Next is multitude, and this is a great number of things or people. So a big crowd could be considered a multitude of people. In the picture, there are many hot air balloons in the sky. We could consider this a multitude of hot air balloons. On your homework, for multitude, please either write where you would see a multitude of people, or give me an example of something you would want a multitude of. Multiplication is your next word. This means the act or process of multiplying or the state of being multiplied. So you are learning your multiplication facts in math class. Next is multifold. This is kind of like multitude. It means many or numerous. So in that picture, you can say that there's a multifold of turkeys. There are many turkeys. Multidisciplinary is your next word. This means involving two or more subject areas. So if you would combine math, science, and reading, it would be multidisciplinary. So on your homework, I want you to explain why your homework tonight was multidisciplinary. Polygon is your next word, and this is a two-dimensional shape that has three or more straight sides and angles. You should be familiar with this from math class. So this picture of a dog on the left is very interesting because if you look carefully, the artist used polygons and different colored polygons to create the image. So on your homework, I want you to draw 3 different polygons. Polymer is a chemical compound or mixture of compounds. So when I think polymer, I usually think of plastic. It's a mixture of compounds. Polygraph, this is an instrument that records different variations of several pulsations. So in the picture that you can see different kind of wavelengths or whatever, it is recording variations of many different pulsations. And polytheistic, this is describing a belief that there is more than one God. So in the ancient Greek and Roman cultures, they would have many different gods. They would have been considered a polytheistic society. So on your homework, you can just write yes or no, but tell me, do you have polytheistic beliefs? Do you believe that there is more than one God?